Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Everyday English Cafe, where we learn English through stories that feel real and stories that stay with you. Today's episode has a message that hits home for almost all of us. The story is called Nothing is Free. Arun was 23. A good guy, kind heart, but he had one tiny problem: he loved shortcuts. You know the type, right? The person who believes there's always an easier way, a quick trick, a magic formula. Whenever Arun saw a video saying, "Earn money instantly with no work," he clicked faster than lightning. His mother would always tell him, "Arun, real things take real effort." But like many of us in our early 20s, he assumed she just didn't get it. One hot afternoon, Arun was walking through the busy local market. You can imagine the scene: vendors shouting, traffic noise, the smell of samosas, and dust in the air. Suddenly, a man called out to him, "Bye! Come here! I have something big for you." The man looked confident, charming, like someone who could sell sand in the desert. He leaned in and whispered, "I have a secret earning trick. No work, no skill, no effort, just 500 and you'll make 5,000 every single day." Arun's heart jumped. His brain stopped thinking, because hope is powerful, especially when you're struggling. He quickly gave the man 500. The man smiled, said, "Wait here, 5 minutes," and walked away. Arun waited. 5 minutes? 10? 20? The man never returned. The noise of the market felt louder now. The heat felt heavier. Arun felt smaller. He whispered, "I've been cheated." That evening, Arun walked home slowly. Not angry, just empty. His mother opened the door. She saw his face and knew. She didn't scold him. She didn't say, "I told you so." She sat beside him and spoke softly. "Arun, remember something for life. Nothing is free. And whatever feels too easy will break your heart." That night, Arun couldn't sleep. He kept replaying her voice in his mind. Nothing is free. The next morning, something was different. He didn't search for shortcuts. He didn't look for instant tricks. Instead, he searched for skills that can help me grow. Days passed, weeks passed, months passed. He learned, practiced, failed, tried again, cried sometimes, but kept going. And finally, after months of showing up consistently, Arun got a job. It wasn't glamorous, but it was his. Earned, not gifted, not cheated, earned with quiet effort. When Arun held his first salary slip, his eyes filled with tears. He went home, hugged his mother tightly, and whispered, "Ma, I understand now. Nothing is free. But what we earn stays." His mother smiled the way only mothers can and said, "Beta, shortcuts will disappear, but effort will always take you somewhere." And that day, Arun realized something all of us eventually learn. Shortcuts feel sweet at first, but real hard work tastes sweet forever. So, that was today's story. Simple, yes, but sometimes the simplest stories carry the biggest truths. If you've been chasing easy success, maybe today is your tiny turning point, just like Arun had his. And hey, if this story made you think, even a little, that's enough for today. Thanks for listening to Everyday English Cafe. I'll meet you soon with another story, another lesson, and another warm moment. Take care and keep learning. Slowly, honestly, beautifully.